Good evening, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be turning another cigar pen with another blank that I cast. I themed this blank with the help of another guy on Instagram. He was into the Joker, so he asked me if I could theme the pen after the Joker. After careful thought of the colors, we decided on a purple, green, and red. This is the blank, and it's just a purple, green, and red swirl. It's actually a beautiful blank. And when we're making a cigar pen, we're going to be putting the pen on a black kit. So it does have a kind of a real sinister look to it. Here's the pen right now. Like I said, it's on a black kit, so it really looks really good and crazy. So join me as we turn the blank and get the pen finished and assembled. Alright, we have got the pen turned and assembled. Everything came out really great. The blank itself turned and the swirl is just amazing. And it does look like the Joker. I mean, it's just crazy. The black kit makes a very good addition to it. And I'm going to show it to you right now. Here it is in the light. Like I said, it's on a black kit. So, I mean, it's wild, let's put it that way. Well, thank you for joining me tonight, and hope you'll stay safe. Y'all have a good night, and see you next time.